CBSE Class 9, Chapter 1, Number System. Topic is rationalization. I will try to cover this topic taking wide range of problems. Our first problem is 1 by root 6 plus root 5. Now, the rationalizing factor of root 6 plus root 5 is root 6 minus root 5. We should multiply and divide with root 6 minus root 5. So multiplying and dividing by root 6 minus root 5. You should take the opposite sign. In the denominator, if you are having plus, you will be taking opposite sign and you will multiply and divide. Okay. So numerator into numerator. These two will get multiplied, numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator, these two will get multiplied. So let us multiply. 1 into root 6 minus root 5 is root 6 minus root 5. Denominator root 6 plus root 5 into root 6 minus root 5. Denominator into denominator. Now the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So the formula is a square minus b square. So write down root 6 minus root 5. Now the denominator can be written in the form a square minus b square. What is a value? A value is root 6. So a square. B value is root 5. B square. A square minus b square. Square and root will get cancelled. Finally we get root 6 minus root 5 by 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? 6 minus 5 is 1. So your final answer is root 6 minus root 5. So the given question is rationalized. So in the first problem, we came to know that if x plus k is in the denominator, then the rationalizing factor will be x minus k. You should multiply and divide with x minus k. So in mathematics, whenever you multiply, you should divide so that both will get cancelled and the problem, the given question will not change. Okay. So this is all about rationalizing factor, and in case of multiplication of factors, you will be doing numerator into numerator, a into c, ac, b into d, bd. This is how fractions are multiplied. So the same thing I did here. 1 into root 6 minus root 5 is root 6 minus root 5, and both denominators are multiplied and they are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. They can be written as a square minus b square. After rationalization, irrationality will be removed in the denominator. There will not be any irrational number in the denominator after rationalization. In the question, we were having irrational number in the denominator. After rationalization, denominator irrationality, the irrational number in the denominator disappeared. The purpose of rationalizing is to remove irrational number from the denominator. Is that okay? Rationalizing denominator. So 1 by root 3 plus root 2 multiplying and dividing by root 3 minus root 2. Now we can multiply numerator into numerator, that is 1 into root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 minus root 2, denominator into denominator, root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. It can be written as a square minus b square. A value is root 3, b value is root 2. So in the next step, a square means root 3 square, b square means root 2 square, square and root will get cancelled, root 3 minus root 2 by, after cancelling square and root, 3 minus 2 left, subtract 3 minus 2, root 3 minus root 2 by 1. So 1 has no value in the denominator, so your answer is root 3 minus root 2. That's it. In the third question we have 2 by root 5 plus root 3. What is the rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 3? It is, sorry, not root 5, 5 plus root 3. The rationalizing factor is 5 minus root 3. So multiply and divide with 5 minus root 3. Okay. Numerator into numerator. 2 into 5 minus root 3. Denominator into denominator. 5 plus root 3 into 5 minus root 3. Is that okay? Now try to multiply 2 5s are 10. 2 into root 3. 2 root 3. Formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. What is a value? A value is 5. A square. B value is root 3 minus b square. Is that okay? So 10 minus 2 root 3. 5 square. 5 5s are 25. Square and root will get cancelled. 3 will remain. Got it? So 10 minus 2 root 3. 25 minus 3 is 22. This is the answer. We can even take 2 as common in the numerator and cancel. No problem. Not needed. So in fourth question, it's given 1 by 7 plus 3 root 3. He's asking us to rationalize. So let us write rationalizing denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor? 7 plus 3 root 2. Rationalizing factor is 7 minus 3 root 2 by 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 minus 3 root 2 is the rationalizing factor. We have to multiply and divide. In the next step, numerator into numerator. So 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 is just 7 minus 3 root 2. denominator into denominator. That means 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, and the formula is a square minus b square. What is the a value? 7 minus 3 root 2 is in the numerator. A value is 7. So a square means 7 square minus b value. Value of b is 3 root 2. So b square will be 3 root 2 whole square. Can you tell what is 7 square? 7 minus 3 root 2 denominator. 7 square is 7 sevens are 49. 3 root 2 whole square. 3 root 2 whole square means 3 square root 2 square. Square is outside the bracket, so square belongs to 3 as well as root 2. 7 minus 3 root 2 by 49 minus. What is 3 square? 3 3s are 9. Square and root cancel, 2 will remain. So 7 minus 3 root 2 by 49 minus 9 2s are 18. 49 minus 18 is 31. Bigger number sign is plus. So 7 minus 3 root 2 by 31 is your final answer. Please note down. Rationalizing. So here we have only one factor, that is root 3, one term root 3. So the rationalizing factor will be root 3 only. So numerator into numerator, 1 into root 3 is root 3. Denominator into denominator, root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. Square and root cancel. Root 3 by 3 is the final answer. The next question is 11 by root 7 minus root 2. Let us start rationalizing denominator. So 11 by root 7 minus root 2, and the rationalizing factor is root 7 plus root 2, multiplying and dividing with root 7 plus root 2. Numerator into numerator, you will be getting 11 into root 7 plus root 2. Now denominator into denominator. This is root 2, make a note, this is root 2. So denominator into denominator. So root 7 minus root 2, this one into this one. Root 7 plus root 2, and the denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, and which is equal to a square minus b square. So write down root 7 plus root 2 by a square
बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया ये
minus root 2 whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. 11 into root 7 plus root 2 by 7 minus 2. You can Write down 11 into root 7 plus root 2 by 5. This is your answer. In the next question, he is asking us to find the value of a and b. So a and b मालूम करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट करिए. व्हाट डू यू हैव इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड? रूट 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. After taking left hand side, let us rationalize. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. We are rationalizing denominator. So rationalize denominator. What is the rationalizing factor? The rationalizing factor would be root 3 minus 1. We should multiply and divide with root 3 minus 1. You should take opposite sign. If you are having plus in the denominator, you will be taking minus and multiplying numerator as well as denominator. Is that okay? Now, numerator into numerator. It will become root 3 minus 1 whole square. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square. Denominator into denominator. Let us write root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Is that okay? Now, you have to expand this one. This one should be expanded using the formula a minus b whole square, which is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay? So, let us expand a value. This is a and this is b. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. A value is root 3, b value is 1. So let us expand a square plus b square 2ab, root 2 into root 3 into 1, 2ab by, and the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square. That means you will get root 3 square minus 1 square. Okay? Denominator a square minus b square, numerator a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have used algebraic identities and expanded. Now square and root will cancel. 1 square is 1. 2 into root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3 by square and root cancel. 1 square is 1. What you can add these two. 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you can separate the denominator. On separating denominator, you will get 4 by 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2. This step is called separating denominator. 2 times 2 cancel. Finally, I got 2 minus root 3. Okay. So let us compare with what is given in the right hand side. In the right hand side, he has given a plus b root 3, a plus b root 3, and on rationalizing, I got 2 minus root 3. I got 2 minus root 3 See here, 2 minus root 3 is nothing but 2 plus minus root 3. Will you agree with me? Why? Because plus into minus is minus. So I actually got 2 minus root 3, but I will write it as 2 plus minus root 3. Why? Because plus into minus is minus. So now I can pick my a value, which is 2. In the same way, b will be minus 1. If there is no number over here, it is understood 1 root 3 is there. So b value will be minus 1. These are a and b values. That's it. In the next question, we have 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. We need to find a and b values. Let us take left hand side. In the left hand side, I'm having 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7. Rationalizing denominator. So 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7. The rationalizing factor will be 3 plus root 7. Multiply and divide with 3 plus root 7. So now numerator into numerator, that will be 3 plus root 7 whole square. And when you multiply denominators, they are in the form of a minus b into a plus b. It can be written as a square minus b square. A value is 3, b value is root 7. Now this should be expanded using the formula a plus b whole square, and the formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is a and this is b. So a square means 3 square, b square root 7 square, 2ab, 2 into 3 into root 7, 3 threes are 9, minus square and root cancel, 9 minus 7. Is that okay? Now 3 square is 9, square root cancel, 2 threes are 6 root 7, 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7 is 16. 6 root 3 by 2, separating denominator. 16 by 2, 6 root 3 by 2, 2 cancels 8 times, 2 divides this 3 times, 8 plus 3 root 3. So a plus b root 3 was the right hand side. You can check it over here, a plus b root 7. I think it is root 7. By mistake I wrote root 3, make it change. This is actually root 7. In the right hand side it is given a plus b root 7. Now you can identify a value, which is 8. B value, which is root 3. So I got a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 3. That's it. In the next question, we are having 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. He is asking us to find a and b value. Let us take left hand side. 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Rationalizing denominator. So 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3, multiply and divide with 7 minus 4 root 3. You have to take opposite sign. Plus, in the denominator you are having plus, so you have to multiply and divide with 7 minus 4 root 3. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So write down. In the next page you can write. Okay, here itself I will write 5 plus 2 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. When you multiply these two, they are in the form a plus b into a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. A value is 7. So a square, b value is 4 root 3. 4 root 3 whole square, a square minus b square. Understood? So now multiplication should be done in the numerator. I will show how to multiply. Firstly with 5. Let us start multiplying with 5. 5 sevens are 5 into 7. 5 into minus 4 root 3. Here you are having plus. Plus into minus is minus 5 into 4 root 3. So I have multiplied with 5. Now I have to multiply with 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into 7. 2 root 3 into 7. Next, plus into minus is minus 2 root 3 into 4 root 3. 2 root 3 into 4 root 3 by 7 square. Can you tell what is 7 square? 7 square is 7 sevens are 49. Here 4 square into root 3 square. 4 will also get square. Root 3 will also get square. Now let us simplify this. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fours are 20 root 3. 2 sevens are 14 root 3. 2 fours are 8. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square. Got it? Square and root will get cancelled. 49 minus 4 square is 16. Square and root cancel. 16 threes are. Now let us write the next step. So after cancelling square and root, 3 will remain here. So I am not having space here. I will be writing the whole step in the next page. Yes, I got the whole step in the next page. So here square and this root will get cancelled. Write down 35. These two are similar surds. Both are root 3s. You can subtract them. 20 minus 14 is 6 root 3, put bigger number sign, that is minus. 8 threes are 24 by 49 minus 16 threes are 48. Now these two can be simplified. 35 minus 24 is 11 minus 6 root 3 by 49 minus 48, 1. So finally I got, there is no value for 1 in the denominator. So I can write this as 11 minus 6 root 3. So if you notice the right hand side, it is given a plus b root 3. Let us compare 11 plus minus 6 root 3. Can I write like this? I can write. Why? Because plus into minus is minus only. So this minus is written as plus into minus, and in the denominator I am having a plus b root 3, isn't it? A plus b root 3. Now shall I compare? A value is 11 and b value is minus 6. That's it. We got both the values of a and b. So the next question is, five plus root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. Let us take left hand side. And rationalize. 5 plus root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. The rationalizing factor is 7 plus 4 root 3. Multiply and divide by 7 plus 4 root 3. Numerator into numerator, that is 5 plus root 3 into 7 plus 4 root 3. Denominator into denominator, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. We can write it as a square minus b square. So a value is 7. So a square. B value is 4 root 3. B square means 4 root 3 whole square. Now start multiplying the terms in the numerator. 5 sevens are 35. 5 4 root 3s are 5 4s are 20 root 3. Now multiply with root 3. Root 3 sevens are 7 root 3. Now root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into 4 root 3 is 4. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. 7 square is 49. Here 4 and root 3 both will get square. 4 as well as root 3 both will get square. Got it? Now these two are similar surds. Irrational number is called surd. Similar surds can be added or subtracted, simplified. Now 20 plus 7, 27 root 3, 35 as it is. Square and root cancel, 4 threes are 4 threes are here. 12 by 49 minus these two will get cancelled. 4 square is 16. 16 threes are 48. Okay. Now let's add 35 and 12. 35 plus 12 is 47 plus 27 root 3 by 1. There is no value for 1 in the denominator, so we finally got 47 plus 27 root 3. Let's write this answer over next in the next page. In the question it is given a plus root 3b. A value is 47, b value is 27, that's it. In the next question we are having root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Let us take left hand side. Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Rationalize. Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Rationalizing factor is root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. In the denominator we are having minus sign, so you should take opposite sign and multiply and divide. Now numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Let's write. So 5 plus root 3 into 5 plus root 3 is
root 5 square
sorry,
plus root 3 square.
whole square. I told 5 plus root 3, it's not 5 plus root 3 actually. Root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3 is root 5 plus root 3 whole square. And the formula in the denominator is a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square.
A square minus b square.
A value is root 5, so a square. B value is root 3 whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. Now what is left over? Root 5 plus root 3 whole square in the numerator. In the denominator we are having just 5 minus 3. Now I will have to expand this using the formula a plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. A value is root 5, b value is root 3. Let's substitute a square plus b square 2 into root 5 into root 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Square and root will get cancelled. What is remaining? 5 plus 3 plus 2. When you multiply root 5 into root 3, you will get root 15 by 2. 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? 8 plus 2 root 15 by 2. Separate the denominator. Separating denominator. 2 4 times. 2 will get cancelled. 4 plus root 15 is simplified form. After rationalization we got 4 plus root 15. Let us see what is given in the right hand side. It is given a plus B root 15. A value is 4. Here you can assume there is 1. You can assume 1 over here. It is 1 root 15. So B value will be 1. That's it. In the next question, we are having root 2 plus root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to a minus b root 6. Let us take left hand side. Root 2 plus root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Rationalize. So you will be getting rationalizing factor is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, multiply and divide. As usually, if you are having minus sign, you should take opposite sign and multiply and divide. Numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square. A value is 3 root 2 a square. B value is 2 root 3. Now let us simplify numerator. Multiply root 2 into 3 root 2. Root 2 into 3 root 2. Then root 2 into 2 root 3. Then root 3 into 3 root 2. Root 3 into 2 root 3. By a square means 3 square into root 2 square, a square. B square, 2 square into root 3 square. Let's write the next step. Root 2 into root 2 is how much? 3 root 2 whole square. Root 2 into root 3. 2 root 6. Root 3 into root 2. 3 root 6. Root 3 into root 3. 2 root 3 whole square. Here square and root will get cancelled. 9. 3 3s are 9. Into 2 will remain. Square and root cancel. 2 2s are 4. Into 3 will remain. Square and root cancel. 3 2s are 6. Both are same irrational. Same root 6, root 6. Add 2 plus 3. 5 root 6. Square and root cancel. 2 3s are how much? 6. 9 2s are 18. 4 3s are 12. Now you can finally add this 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 5 root 6 as it is. 18 minus 12 is 6. So let me write in the next page. Separate the denominator. 6 twos are. Now go back to the problem. It is given in the right hand side. A minus b root 6. So it is given as a minus b root 6. This plus can be written as minus into minus. Is it okay to write plus as minus into minus? Can I write
Yes.
plus as minus into minus? On writing like this, after writing, you can easily compare. You will have a value 2. Minus and minus coincide, both minus, and b value. How much is b value? Minus 5 by 6. So this plus is written as minus into minus. Why? Because minus into minus is plus. So that we can get b value, correct b value. If you